Hey guys, it's me, Elliot. So today in this video, I'm doing something. In that New Year's video I said, I was actually using a whistle. I didn't have a fire alarm wired up at all. Alright. I free printed the whistle and it sounded just like it, so I just used it. But I'm not. These were not on. But, hey, Elijah, get on your clothes to go outside. Because you can hear it from out there. I'm gonna give you a coat and some shoes for you. All right. Shoes, and his coat. That's a good taste. Here. Why?
Go on.
Why are you having headphones on? For how loud it's gonna be? Alright. So we're gonna sound it off. First thing, ear protection. I heard it with ear protection and it was fucking loud. And I did have tape on it for you to know. These things are a big thing I need to know. So let's kind of prop camera up so we can see. Put my headphones, see me plug it in. Just prop it. Just white. Really like it. Towards here. Here we go! Alright, everyone! I got sound off! And 3, 2, 1! Here we go, guys! There it goes. Turn the lights off. Let's go outside. Probably can't catch it. Okay, Blue is strobing. It's decently loud. From over there. See kind of how loud from the basement. I'm gonna have to go. Okay, guys, have to up here now on the giraffe. Go. Let's go. Go. Pretty decent. Sorry, Lucy. Go. Sorry. It's okay. This is just a drill! This is just a drill! Calm down! God. Okay. Stores power, just for you to know. It's a cool thing. So, that was it. That was the wheelock NS sounding. Hey, brother. Was that loud?
Yeah.
We can worry here, room. Wish I could just do it again. So nice. I like it. We could film. Take this off. Or it could come off. I don't know where my. But we're gonna do another little thing. Wax on! Wax off! I'm gonna grab some lights. Oh. Put you back this light. To be lit up. Right. No. Broken. Spunky.
Hey, Elliot. Are you filming?
Oh, yeah, ma'am. Phone's right there. Put this one. Alright, we're back. 7,002 T-bar are fighting for some reason. Yeah, there you go again. We could going to do a difference. Yeah. They don't even do. Excuse me, but I'm not willing to do that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna break the rules a little bit, but I'm gonna sound it off a second time.
Why are you saying that?
Alright, I'm gonna do the speaker announcement. Sorry, everyone, but we're gonna do a second test of the fire alarms. So I'm breaking the rules, so yeah. Sorry. You should go outside and see how incredibly loud it is from out there. Is it coming from your headphones? The booger bowl? That was the booger bowl. Jeffy's booger bowl. Big bowl. Okay, I'm going, goober. We're gonna have a little bit more testing with it. I'm gonna see what this thing's closed stuff. And here. My hand your attention, please. May hand your attention, please. So I'm breaking the rules, but I'm gonna sound it off a second time. If you're aware, I don't care. Thank you. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Did you? I said, do you hear me? I said, did you hear me?
We don't do that.
I said, do you hear me?
Sweetheart, we're a few generations away from that with this crowd.
Do you even hear what I said?
Specifically requested a dick.
I'm setting off the alarm again. I'm sorry.
See you tomorrow.
I'm sorry I'm breaking the rules. Sorry. Okay. I'll talk to my bird. Oh, I said, oh, I said, oh, so where's that so-and-so mom at? I said, where's mom? Where's mom? Oh. I have to talk to you about something. I'm gonna break the rules, sorry. Get down off a second time.
Elliot, we gotta get your brother to sleep because he has to be up really early for school.
Just for the views, Mom.
Literally for 1 second.
Not 1 second. Is it quiet from here? We said?
I don't know.
This time I'm not gonna go outside. I'm just gonna go in different areas. I'm gonna go under or into the laundry room because the laundry room is right under my room. I'm probably gonna hear it good. Let's put you guys here. Let's put us here. Sorry. Alright! This is gonna be the second standoff! Make sure to be prepared! And no who say fire! No one say that. No panicking because it's just a drill. This is just a drill. Alright, and get started. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'm touching the plug. Nope. Sorry. Just for the views. Sound loud. It's under. I can barely hear it.
But you could have them.
Go back. Why? Ow.
What are you doing?
Your ears? Well, you said
You
ow.
stepped on me. Oh,
Sorry.
you go.
You know how loud it is. I woke up hearing this. What the hell is happening? What the hell is happening? Did someone catch the fucking building on fire again? Why? Ah! 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 Pretty loud. Where's my headphones? Right there. Here we go. All right, it's over. Is anyone happy?
Why are you talking like that?
Is anyone happy? It's over.
Why are you talking Australian?
So, well,
Talk no more.
well, I like doing this voice. I think it's like British. Bottle of water. You all seen that that guy say, "You're British. I bet you can't say bottle of water." Challenge accepted. I wish our schools don't look like Fortnite Battle Royales. What? Yeah, y'all seen that meme? That kid's broadish. Broadish. I'm scared some sort of monster's gonna just go up at the middle of the night and sound up my fucking alarm. I would hate that. Oh my god, I need a drink. Woo. Well, kind of want one of those. Woo. I'm gonna drink this. Pink. Good. Oh, look at that. It came off easy. Well. That tastes good.
Elliot, you need to chill. Elliot, you can do it.
All right. It's the end. So bye-bye. I'll see you later. Make sure to subscribe because I want a YouTube play button. I wanted one so much I already made a fake one. So make sure to subscribe. Bye. See you later.